Hi, I am Karthikeya Chawla on the behalf of Jam and Panther team. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Linux terminal on a Google Cloud platform and integrate Docker to it. As you all know that people are using Docker for a better development environment. So this will provide you with an already set up Docker environment. All you need to do is run a script and it's done for you. You can very easily set up the environment, tear it down, and get everything customized according to your need. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up Redis. So let's get started. In this, you can see that I have already opened up my Google Cloud platform, and I'm using its free tier, which provides me with $300 of free credit. So I'll create one instance. Yeah. Uh, I'll name it Docker demo. So you need to have the last letter as a number or a small letter. I change it to container optimized OS 70. Yeah, it's basically a Linux terminal which is developed by Google for their Google Cloud platform, and I'll click on create. The best thing about this is that you do not need a separate SSH terminal or a SSH software. Whatever is being done, they will it will be done in the browser itself. It will automatically pick up your login and everything. It will be done from there only. So my Docker demo instance is up and running, and I've got a notification for this also. It's so I'll click on SSH. It's loading up. It will be done in some moments. Yeah, it's done. So let me hit the command docker, and you can see that Docker is already loaded. I didn't need to do anything, but it's a Linux terminal already loaded with Docker. So next thing I need to do is for Redis that I said that I'll show you in this tutorial. I'll do Docker pull Redis. So you can see that it's pulling Redis, it's extracting, and it's done. It's already there on my container, and now I'll do is Docker run -ti Redis. Now you will see this graphic which automatically shows that Redis is there and the port number 6379, which is by default of Redis in its port file, and the port number 6379. It's very clear that Redis is there on my terminal and it's up and running. So for now, I'll hit Control C, click exit, and I'm back. So that's it for this tutorial, and you just saw how easily I did this. I can I can build it up in some moments, I can tear it down at that moment only. It's very easy and it's super cool. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below, or you can mail us at support@prolifix.com. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.